What if I told you your next portrait could be retouched like a pro automatically and in Photoshop with just one click? So we're talking about the amazing plugin from Retouch4Me, which is an AI-based plugin, and the Retouch4Me Photoshop Panel gives you the instant access to the AI-powered retouching inside Photoshop. No more hours of manual cleaning up, just select your image, click and done. I will show you here two of the amazing plugins. One is the Retouch4Me Heal. With this plugin you will fix blemishes, acne and skin texture instantly. The Retouch4Me Dodge and Burn plugin. This plugin smooths under your eye bags, folds and harsh shadows without losing details. This is a quick before and after. You see here the skin is not so clean, and with a click you have automatically a really smooth image. Also the Dodge and Burn, which is applied here, you see how smooth the image is. You don't see any acne or bad skin, so everything gets smoothed out instantly and super fast. Each of the plugins saves the result on separate layers so that you keep the full control over your edits. Let's go more in details and I will show you this on an example photo. Alright, let's go into Photoshop. So here you can see this beautiful image, and if I zoom in, I want to clean here the skin, and also in the bottom here I want to clean this leg a little bit. So all I have to do is clicking what I want to do, heal or dodge and burn. To see it better, I will zoom in, and as you can see here, this is without the plugin, and then the plugin applied, and it looks pretty smooth, and this was just in second. And now I will show you how I did it. So basically I select the layer, then I zoom out to see everything, and now I want to heal the image and give it a dodge and burn. So all I have to do is I press retouch. Let's wait. You can drink coffee and let the program do the magic. So the program is finished with analyzing and adding these layers. So here you can see the heal layer, and when I toggle it on and off, I need to go closer. So here you can see the skin is clean. It removes all the black dots and the lines. So now I turn it on and you see it's completely clean, and I just clicked it and everything is done. So now I can check, oh look here, there's in the tattoo, it removes a bit the tattoo. What I do is click the layer, then click the erase tool and give it back here. So this way I have the tattoo back. And now for the heal, I just click here and look, everything got smoothed out. It looks pretty amazing. Even here on the leg, if I zoom out a little bit. So it isn't just a couple clicks. I didn't do anything else. So now you can adjust everything here. They have also a lot of other plugins here you can use, which are pretty good. Like you can change the skin tone, make the eye brighter, the teeth, and it's like definitely worth it to check it out. So yeah, I hope this helps you. I just want to show you this quick example here because this was for me super important. I want to efficiently speed up my workflow, my editing workflow. When I use Lightroom, I edit the photos and then I just put them in Photoshop, and with this 2 clicks, I have the photo finished edit and it looks really amazing. All I have to do now is I save it, and when I go back to Lightroom, I will see the photo in there. Whatever you're a beginner or a pro, this saves a tons of time and gives you studio level results with zero hassle. If you want to level up your portrait instantly, check out the link in the description down below to save also 20% discount with my discount code Mike20 to save some dollars. Try Retouch4Me and see the magic for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.